And it started to rain. It's 6-0 so far. Panthers up. Hey, what's going on, Coach?
All right, how you doing?
Yes, sir. 6-0 to score, right?
6, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Looks like it's halftime, 6-0. It's raining. Progress Village Panthers, 7U. And the Duval Dolphins. About to be the start of the third quarter. PVP 7U up 6-0 against the Duval Dolphins. It's a rainy game today. Shout out to the Duval Dolphins, all the kids. Shout out to Coach over there.
Yeah, get ready. On it!
Cameraman out there in the rain. Me, I'm up under a tent. Yeah, that's the better side of the rain, so it is coming down now. These boys continuing to play hard. Getting coached up by the staff. Shout out to the staff.
Hey, Derek, drive him back.
Third quarter.